All right, so I got something pretty cool happening today. Tonight, Omega is putting on a cocktail party. They're going to be showcasing the new Summer Blue Seamaster lineup. Very excited for it. Coming at you from downtown Toronto. We're going to get a whole lot better view of that CN Tower, though, where this event is being held. So let's make our way over. So yeah, the event is being held at the Isha Hotel on the 44th floor. There's a restaurant called the Coast Restaurant, rooftop patio, and I think it's going to be an awesome time. All right, so this is the spot, and we are going way up there somewhere.
Myself and on behalf of the whole Omega team present here tonight, we would like to welcome you to the Omega Seamaster in Summer Blue event.
All right, so back from the event, and it was an excellent night. Had a lot of fun hanging out with the local watch fam, lots of laughs and watch talk. As far as the watches themselves go, they were really cool to see. Love how the dials go from a lighter blue to a darker blue as the depth rating goes up. Two highlights for me, I loved the world time, and also the ultra deep was very cool. There was one watch missing from the collection actually, and that was the Pro Plof. I didn't quite get the reason why, but that was not there, which is unfortunate because that's one of the watches that I really wanted to see, but it was still very cool and had an awesome time. So that is it. Really appreciate you taking a few minutes to stop by, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.